from here. No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own, I can do my own thing. I can do my.
Hyperheat. This must have been a fun install for these guys. Dang.
right, guys, I tried to film that there for you. Just a quick little cleaning on a York furnace. Tried to show you some bits and pieces from the cleaning. Turning the burner box out, brushing down the burners, getting it. That unit I actually installed probably 3 or 4 years ago. So everything's looking good on it. It's in kind of a damp environment there on the lake. So the burners get rusty and a little bit quicker than usual, I'd say, on that unit. So I make sure to do a full tear down and brush those burners, clean it up good. Hopefully you guys could pick up something, whether it's just assembly of the unit, you know, checking out how that's done, how I keep my tool bag, stuff like that. But yeah, that was a fun little cleaning there. The thing I like about residential is, I know there's a lot of commercial guys on YouTube, and I really enjoy seeing their content because I don't have a ton of commercial experience, but we do have rooftop accounts, you know. So what I was getting at is in residential, like, I love jobs like that where like you're on the lake, you know, beautiful day, the nice water, you know, you're just super nice. That place is beautiful. He has the landscapes really nicely. So it's just a nice environment when you get those nice jobs, and I feel blessed to do a job I love and be able to, you know, enjoy just the simple things, man. Waking up, going out to my first call. It's at a nice, clean, you know, house. They're not all like that in residential, let me tell you. I'll show you guys some of the ugly too, but yeah, beautiful place. That's up in Stoddard, New Hampshire, on the lake there, Granite Lake, and what a beautiful spot. Tried to film a quick clip there of that Mitsubishi mini split hyperheat. We didn't put that in, but that job looked tough for whoever had to. It goes up and in between the two buildings. The line set runs up, over, and then down both sides. Man, they must have had a tough time doing that. I always look at other people's work when I see it, and man, that was an interesting job. They did a really good job in making it look good for what it was. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little job on the lake, and you got to see how I use my Testo 510 manometer there. I love that manometer for checking gas pressures. It's tiny, it's convenient. As you can see, it clipped right to the front of my Vito TP4B, and it's just a super convenient spot there. It comes in the leather case. It's got another cover over it, a very high quality manometer from Testo there. Those guys over at Testo, they make some good stuff, man. I use the 310 as well. You can see I was using my combustion analyzer. I have been using that for about 6 years with no issues. You just want to, if you do use it, make sure you change your filters out on the combustion analyzer in the end of your hose. Keep those clean. That's going to matter. And send it out to Testo and get it calibrated each year. That's also going to make a big difference. But yeah, guys, I'm going to keep trying to make fresh content for you around residential, HVAC, plumbing, and also look out for that next fitness video. I'm going to try to do a nutrition video. So the first part of the video will be nutrition, and the second part will be the workout or something like that. Got some different plans and ways of, you know, structuring it, but I want to keep you guys healthy and fit out there. I want you to live a healthy lifestyle. We are active people. We do, which I love about this job. We're active, and you can be as active as you want. You can go to the gym after work too. You just gotta get in that routine and create that dedication, you know. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in that next video. Thanks for watching Blue Collar Biceps. Peace.